and that was another thing too, which was a huge reason. So like we wanted to accommodate for our guests. We wanted them to have the like be able to come and have a good rate and not have to pay too much. So overall for their flight and their stay for like I think 3 days, 4 nights, or how I reverse that one, it was like $1,100. That's all they would have to pay, which is a really great rate for that amount of time. But when it came time to book and everything, half of the people that we invited did not book. Like they had no intentions on coming, weren't coming from the beginning, had nothing to do with COVID. So it's like, why am I choosing to go to a resort that I absolutely hate? And the people that I was accommodating for, they're not even coming. So we're like, yeah, we're not doing that anymore. So then we decided to postpone and we completely switched our destination. So now we're in Jamaica.
Okay. Yes. So you guys see, y'all see why we had to get on. And yes, the community has been there with you all the way through.
Yes.
You've been sharing and
Appreciate
updated.
it.
Yeah, you've been sharing, you've been empowering, and I'm so excited that it's happening.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. So when did you guys